Good morning, guys, and it is about 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'm not quite sure what time it is, but today I am in Dublin, and I've got 12 hours in Dublin to explore what's on, what goes on around Dublin, walk around Dublin, and do a bit of sightseeing, see what Dublin has to offer, and all that stuff. It's first time visiting Dublin, never been before. As you can see, I'm a bit rough. The other reason why I'm feeling a little bit rough because I've not long just basically came out of a cold and flu that everyone's basically got for the past few days. So I spent the past few odd days being a little bit ill under the weather and that. I think I'm on the wrong side of the road as well, so I'm getting a little bit splashing that. So yeah, I'm not quite sure where I'm going to be going, but I'm going to go to probably a couple of sightseeing tourist traps locations, see what's there, see what's going on and that. But yeah, if I just switched it around, if I can switch the camera around, I will show you guys and that. But yeah, it's not too bad at all. So I got off the aeroplane yesterday. I was about half 10 yesterday. It wasn't so great. I came down with a bit of an illness. I should say I'm still basically a little bit bunged up, a little bit thin. My eyes are definitely feeling it, and so is my lungs. So yeah, I've definitely got the flu call that's been going around. What is it for the moment? But yeah, I've got 12 hours in Dublin, and I haven't got a clue what I'm going to find or what I'm going to basically just walk into or anything like that. But on the other side, it's going to be interesting on what we might see. Seeing that there's a lot of scenery that I've been told that there is. There's a Guinness factory that we'll be going to later on in that. See what's around there, and I'm trying to find the famous place as well. There's a popular place nearby where lots of people go. There's a pub, some sort of a pub, probably that. But have you seen that? But I'll say probably not bad. There's a handful of architectural buildings around. There's plenty of sights to see and explore. So it's definitely worth the visit. And it's my first time as well in Dublin. So not bad. Like that. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to actually find around here. It's going to be interesting. To say the best of it. So I've got 12 hours in Dublin. The first 12 hours wasn't so great because I felt a bit of illness. I'd say I've still got a bit of chesty cough, and my throat's a little bit rough in that. Still a little bit rough, chesty. So it's not too bad. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like it's a little bit busy as well. Looks like there's a play going on. There's a play going on by the looks of it. But yeah, we'll have a walk around. So Dublin is just in Ireland. It's a few miles from where I am. About an hour's flight from where I am. It's the first time flying, to be fair. It wasn't too bad. A little bit rough on the landing though. Oh. Yeah, still feeling it on the chest. But on the bright side though, it has passed. So I'm not feeling it as bad as it did from yesterday. Well, from the past 2 days. But I still took my chance flying out of here as well. But yeah, we'll be heading back to the Guinness factory, go to the Golden Gates, take a few photos there, and show a bit of tour see what the Guinness factory is all about, and that, and have a couple of pints, of course, because you know why not? It's a Sunday. Gotta have a bit of a explanation for it, and that. I think we shall go down. Let's actually go down this way. We're exploring as well. So point of exploring, taking what was it? Different routes without probably getting jumped or robbed. Alright. But yeah, Dublin's been definitely on one of my bucket lists. Listen up. I've been wanting to come here for a very long while, but I just not had I don't think I've actually had the chance or had the time to go on that. But it is coming up to, what was it, 28th of December, not 28th, so I thought I'll have a bit of an early, birthday treat for myself. Have a bit of wonder, have a bit of sightseeing, and see what happens. And do a bit of vlogging as well. Not really, still not used to, still getting used to all the vlogging bit around here. But it's not bad. I'll still get used to it either way. Ooh. But I can already see that it has a lot of culture, a lot of atmosphere, and a lot of history as well around in Dublin. But I still need to find where the actual main touristy place is. Isn't that? I think it's down here. There we go. Here we go, guys. I'm going to switch around. So down here, if I bring my camera up a little bit, is one of the most popular places to come to. Is the Temple Bar and that. It has it's built up popularity of the years. Over the years now. And I can probably see why that it's built so much reputation over the years with the amount of Christmas work it has and the decorations that it puts up each year. And it's one of the most famous pubs that you can find in Dublin. Or probably one of them, for us to gather. There is a hotel next. I think there was a hotel next to it, but I wasn't quite sure of it where it might be. Being that, let's just take a screenshot of that one. So yeah, that is the Temple Pub. Didn't look actually too bad inside. I had a quick look inside. I didn't want to take the camera inside because I didn't know how they were going to react to it and stuff. But it wasn't too bad. It was big. It was definitely definitely something different that you don't really see in Dublin. The gimbal's playing up as usual. It does not like me, like this gimbal at all. But yeah, my thoughts so far, it's not too bad. It's first time being around here. Being that. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get to where I need to be. But I'm surely I'll get there at some point. And that. But this place definitely has history. Like full on history at this place. I can't really well, put any bad word to it. Alright. Because this place definitely has full of culture, great atmosphere, lots of waters in pubs that you don't really normally see in any other places. Irish sweet shop. We won't have a look in there. No point looking in there just yet. We might do. But it's good to see. My eyes are a little bit starting to clear up a little bit. So it's not bad. But I'll tell you what though, when it comes to drinking, Dublin knows how to, especially Irish people do definitely know how to drink. Holy jeez, right, I've got to look at that. That is one hell of a pub. Probably still doesn't outdo the Wars of the Temple bar just down the road. The road of it though. Traditional Irish music. Accommodation. Damn. Yeah, this place has definitely got full of atmosphere. I can't say the same for my camera skill. Not for my camera skills. And my hair's all over the place. I want to cut my hair, but I don't. Another 30 years old and going bald. Starting to go bald. Not good. Definitely not good. But on the other hand, though, there's definitely a lot to do around here. So I wonder how far we can actually go then. Got the rock wars at the Hard Rock Calf. That looks. It's also been deserted. It's seen better days by the looks of it. Definitely looks like it's seen better days in there. And you know what, right? Trust Dublin to have a Tesco's name. They have a Tesco's. Oh, could go for a Tesco's meal deal. Maybe. It's tempting. It is tempting. Real tempted to go for a Tesco's meal deal. But it's not dinner time, I'm afraid. But we are going to continue floating around, see what we can find, see what we can do. Because I gather this place has still got a lot to offer as well. Then just a few museums and a brewery. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta say it. There is. I think this is like the end of it. as far as it can go. I think anyway. We'll walk down here anyway. So I think yeah, this is literally as far as it can go then. Can't think about anywhere else to go to. So we've been through the Temple Bar. Bar and that. We've been through all bars. TGI Fridays. I don't even know if that's still open. If it is, they're definitely doing better than they're definitely doing better than us in the UK with the with the TGI Friday bars. Because we've hardly got it. They're getting rarer each day. It's like they are. Don't really fancy the waters as well. National Wax Museum. Ah. Guys, so Dublin has their own version of a National Wax Museum. I wonder how bad it is in there. But we have got Superman and Santa up there. Looks like they've seen better days. If I've got enough time, I might actually, see. I'll explore the area, see what's in there. They have a subway. So either that's a Heineken or is it a brewery place or an office? I'm not quite sure. But yeah, Dublin so far is absolutely not let me down. Definitely not let me down. But at the same time, we've got to make our way down to the We've got to make our way down to the Guinness factories very soon as well, so I don't know if I might start making a walk down there. Go for a cuppa as well, for hot chocolate. Might go white hot chocolate actually. But yeah, I'm back in the ticket guys.